Hello everyone and welcome back to another video provided by SVSU's Online Tutoring. My name is Joel and today we'll be finishing up with section 8.4 and we'll end it with talking about the applications for quadratic functions. So what I've done already is I've drawn a bridge here, and in red is the rope of the bridge, which is shaped like a parabola. And with this parabola, we're given the vertex and the endpoints of the bridge, right up the top there. And what we want to do is that we want to find what the height of the rope is when it's 270 meters away from the center. And so to do that, what we have to do is that we have to write the general form of a parabola, which is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. And from here, what we want to do is we want to get rid of the h in k. And so to do that, we have to plug in our vertex, because if we remember, the definition for the vertex is h comma k. Or rather, that's where the vertex occurs at. And so since that's 0, 0, all we have to do is just plug in those two values in. So we have a times x minus 0 squared plus 0. And then this simply reduces to y is equal to a times x squared. And from here, we also need to find out what our a value is. So how we go about doing that is we take one of either of these points over here and plug it into our equation. I'm going to stick with the positive value, but it really doesn't matter which one you use. So we have 100. I'll write it in blue actually, so that way we know. 100 is equal to is equal to a, and then times that 520 squared. Switching between colors, it takes a little bit. And so if we solve for a, we get 100 divided by 520 squared, and this reduces to 1 divided by 2,704 meters. Okay? And so that's our a value. So what we want to do is that we want to update our equation, and so we have y is equal to 1 divided by 2,004, or 2,704, times x squared. And now we can find out what the height is when we're 270 meters away from the bridge. So all we have to do is just plug in that x value, and we'll get 1 divided by 2,704 times 270 squared. And so this simply means that y is equal to 26.98 meters. So that's the height of the rope when we're 270 meters out. So that right there would be the point. Okay, that does it for this video. What we've done is we've seen how we can find certain points along the parabola if we're given the vertex and another point to solve for a. Okay. In the next video, we will begin with section 8.5, and that deals with more applications of quadratic functions. Okay, see you next time.